Hello guys, welcome to this topic. Today's topic is electric current and your electric resistance. Your helpful for West Bengal Police wireless operator. Okay, today's topics we have discussed about something basic, not so depth. You have to helpful. So let's move to the slide. Types of current. Types of current, it is direct current or it is alternative current. Let's move to the pen. What is direct current? Direct current is direct current, that is the line direction, and the current is going through that line, only that line, no positive sign, no negative sign. Okay, that is a line that it's called positive, that is called negative. Okay, that is there is no positive or no negative sign, that is called direct current. The direction of current is constant. It means it is constant, nothing fluctuating, nothing that. It is all going through that line, that is called constant current. The graph of current versus time is straight line. The graph of current versus time is a straight line. That is line is current versus time. It is default by time. After time interval, the current is going through its constant rate, not fluctuating. It is called constant current, that is current versus time graph. It is developed by Thomas Alva Edison, soon replaced by alternative current as primary means of transmitting electricity, but still used in battery operated devices. So direct current is replaced by which current? It is alternative current, that is this current, alternative current. So nowadays we are used alternative current, that is called AC current, that is have the some positive sign and some negative sign. So it is called positive, that is called negative, it is called a alternative current or AC current. So move to the next slide. Alternative current, what is alternative current? The direction and magnitude of the current continuously changes between two extremes. So the direction and the magnitude of the current continuously changes, okay, between two extremes. I draw this another. So the direction, it's that direction, magnitude is not same here, magnitude, that is m, it's not same. Now after this interval, this direction, now after interval the direction is this way, so magnitude is not same, this like. The graph of current versus time is sinusoid, developed by Nikola Tesla and George Westinghouse, forming rivalry with Thomas Edison on wire of the currents, the most commonly used method of electric transmission today. So electric transmission it's used by this alternative current. So move to the next slide. Types of current, that is direct current, that is alternative current. So previously I saw that what is direct current, what is alternative current. That is your time, that is your current. If time increases, if you draw a graph, you know graph very well, that is your graph. We call it x-axis and we call it y-axis. So your x-axis, that is your time s, that means s means second, or that is your current I, that is your ampere. So here this time, when time is increasing, your current also increase same but not fluctuating, it is same. Okay, so current is your constant rate. Now alternative current is, if your time second is increasing, so now your current is first increase. Okay, that is your something I have to tell you, that is your peak point. Okay, I'm written something. Okay, yes. That is, you have to ask in your examination, what is this point? This point, sorry, This point is called peak point. Okay, now highlighted this thing into this color. Okay, no, okay, sorry. Okay, so this point is it's called peak point. So now when current increases, your time travel, then also when time travel, it's also current is decreases. That is negative part. So here magnitude is not same. Okay, so move to the next slide. What is electric resistance? We all know that resistance is, it means it's your protect something that you not going the current, it's continuously. So electric resistance is property of the conducting medium that weakens the transmission of electric currents. What is that? Conducting medium that weakens the transmission of the electric. Okay, denoted as R. What is your symbol of resistance? That is your R. It is unit is ohm. Okay, that R unit is ohm. Ohm symbol is that is your ohmic symbol, and that is your rho, that is your L, and that is your A, that is area, cross sectional area. Previously I told about the cross sectional area. That is your rho. Rho is your resistivity, and L is the length of the wire, that is the wire. If it cross sectional, that is your area. Okay, L to length of the wire, area constant, and resistivity of the ohm, and R is your total electric resistance. Okay, move to the next slide. Okay, last problem is, that is your pipe, that is your area, that is your rho ohmic resistivity. So solve this problem. A piece of 1.0 meter wire has a resistivity of 0.19 ohms. Calculate the resistivity of the wire. What is your calculation? That is rho, your calculative resistivity, that is rho. The cross sectional area of the wire is 0.5 millimeter square. So that's problem you have to solve. Okay, and comment below. So I check it, then we have to discuss about the next topics. So next topic is your electric resistivity and electricity, or I have taken your next 8 or next 4 or 5 class. You have completed your electric topic in this WBP wireless operator. So gathered some students. I hope not so students are coming up, and not so students showing this. I hope you have share, comment, and like this channel, and subscribe this. Thank you guys.